Hi everyone, welcome back. This is CC Cycle 1 and Week 6 already, wrapping up our first quarter of the year. It has been an amazing year so far and we have learned so much. This video, we are going to cover fun ways to practice our memory work for Week 6. And we are starting with math, where we are skip counting the 11s and the 12s. For the 11s, we sing it to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And one quick, easy tip to skip count your 11s is to remember that 11 times anything through 10 is just double the same number. So 11 times 1 is 2 ones. 11 times 2 is 2 twos. So 11, 22, 33. And you can keep doing that all the way up through the 10s. With the tune, it looks like this. 11, 22, 33, and 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, and keep going. For the 12s, we are singing this to the tune of Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush, and I think of things that come in dozens and groups of 12s. So like a dozen eggs or a dozen donuts. And since we have a dozen eggs, we in class pass this around with an egg around the class, like we're going around the mulberry bush, and the tune sounds like this. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and you can keep going. The prepositions for this week are down, during, except, for, and from. And the motions that we are adding on to our existing list of motions look like this. You're going to squat down with your hands on your knees. So down, during, while you're down there on your squat, except, cross your hands while you're down there, and then for, like this is for you, and from, like I'm getting something from you. So down, during, except, for, and from. And those are our motions for our prepositions this week. For history, we have tell me about some ancient Greeks. And for this, we are going to put it to some motions to the tune that CC provides. So the motions look like this. Homer, a famous poet. So H for Homer. And then we're going to pretend that we are writing a poem on our hand for poet. So Homer, a famous poet. Then we have Pythagoras. This is an ASL P, so P for Pythagoras, a famous mathematician. So we're going to make a triangle just like this with our hands for Pythagoras, a famous mathematician. We make this kind of triangle because Pythagoras is known for his formula that involves using a right triangle, which has a perfect 90-degree angle. So that's why we do this for Pythagoras. Then we have Socrates, ASLS, a famous philosopher. So we're going to do two P's again for philosopher and circle them around our heads like we're thinking like a philosopher. And then Archimedes, this is an ASL-A, who was a famous inventor. So we go like this for inventor. These guys shaped Western ideas. This is a W for Western, and we're making the shape of a square to remember that. Shaped Western ideas. Then we have ancient Greek city-states. So ancient, same sign for ancient that we've been doing in our timeline, and the same sign for Greece or Greek, which is a ASL-G, forming over our nose, the place where the helmet protects in battle. So ancient Greek city-states were among the first democracies, and that is the sign for democracy and ASL. And those are our motions for history. Tell me about some ancient Greeks. Then we have Latin, second declension noun endings. We are continuing on with our same tune, which CC has to Jingle Bells. So today we are going to have a set of Jingle Bells, and we are going to pretend like we are donning ourselves with hats and mittens and scarves and all the things, boots that we need to go on a sleigh ride dashing through the snow. And the person who's leading as we take turns in class rings the bell, and everyone else is following that person on the sleigh ride as we go oos-ee-oh-um-oh, oos-ee-oh-um-oh. And then the tune for the plural is e-orm-east-os-east, e-orm-east-os-east. So we do those as we are going on our imaginary dashing through the snow as we sing the tune to the tune of Jingle Bells. That's how we cover Latin. For timeline, we have India's Mauryan Empire. They are known for their extensive highways. So this is the road for highway or road. This is the sign for highway or road. Then we have Mayans of Mesoamerica. We go like this as that shaped pyramid that has flat sides all the way up like steps. Then we have Punic, P for Punic, Punic Wars. And Rome, R, conquers Greece. Then we have Roman dictator. So Roman dictator, put our hands up here like dictator. Roman dictator, Julius Caesar. And then we have Caesar Augustus. We're going to do a C and we're going to do it like down a sash like a king. So Caesar Augustus and the Pax Romana. Pax Romana was a time of peace. It was a peace agreement. So we're going to make the sign for peace, which is to smooth it all out and be done. Then we have John the Baptist. And for Baptist, we're going to dunk our hands like we're going under the water and back up. So John the Baptist. And that is our timeline for week 6. For geography, we have ancient Greece, and we are going to sing this to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Stars, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And as usual, we show where each of the places are first, then we can trace them or put something fun on it and sing it to the tune like this. Ancient Greece, Macedonia, Greece, Aegean Sea, Crete and Rhodes, ancient Greece, oh ancient Greece. So once again, it's ancient Greece, Macedonia, Greece, Aegean Sea, Crete and Rhodes, ancient Greece, oh ancient Greece. And that's how we do geography. For science, we have the major groups of vertebrates, which is the opposite of last week, where they don't have backbones. Vertebrates have backbones. So we're going to sing this to the tune of Them Bones. And it goes like this. Oh, well, the major groups of vertebrates are fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds. And the tune sounds like this. Major groups of vertebrates, animals with backbones, fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds. And if you want to do this to motions, you could do fish, you could do amphibians like a frog bouncing, you could do reptiles like a snake, mammals crawl on the floor with all fours or go like this to represent mammals, or birds, big birds. You could put it to motions, but that is a tune that will help us remember that these are things that have backbones. So that is all of our memory work for week 6. Well done, everybody. Looking forward to seeing you back for week 7 in a couple weeks. Bye.